Subscribe and press the bell icon to enjoy more exciting and enlightening videos from Dheya.
Welcome to Did You Know? Chocolate tasting. Imagine just getting paid for tasting chocolates. Believe it or not, it's a legitimate job. Being a chocolate taster, you have to spend hours of your time inspecting candies for appropriate shins and cracks in the chocolate coatings and then smell the delicate chocolates for aroma. All the chocolate tasters must have a thorough knowledge about chocolates and, above all, a clean and sensitive palate since chocolate flavors are rich and complex. Thank you for watching. If you wish to watch more such exciting and exhilarating content and videos from Dheya, make sure to subscribe, like and follow Dheya on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter, of which the links are given in the description box below and in the comment sections below as well. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.